This is a BitMaths reasoning task. You'll find a reasoning task like this in every module of the program. That's dozens of high-quality tasks in each year level ready to use with your students. Each task is designed to help you explicitly teach, consolidate and hone your students' reasoning skills. Reasoning tasks are distinctly different from problem-solving tasks because they focus on the how and the why of the solution, rather than the answer itself. Each task requires students to not only solve the problem, but also articulate their mathematical reasoning using specific cognitive verbs, in this case, prove or disprove. To do this successfully, students need to both recall the meaning of the cognitive verb and explain how the verb applies in a specific context. In BitMaths, junior secondary students will tackle reasoning tasks that include a variety of cognitive verbs such as prove, justify, determine, explain, generalize, evaluate, and demonstrate. To support individual learning requirements, students can complete a BitMaths reasoning task in one of three ways. Independently online for students who are confident in their reasoning skills, independently on a printed worksheet when you prefer students to work with pen and paper, or online using the BitMaths signature feature, the Reasoning Wizard. If a student or class is still developing their reasoning skills, the Reasoning Wizard is a great place to start as it guides the student through scaffolded steps to construct a well-reasoned response. The first step in every wizard requires the student to unpack the task and identify 1. What the question is asking, 2. What maths they will use, and 3. What a good solution will include. Each wizard then guides the students through a unique set of steps designed to address the specific task. Rather than prescribing each step, the wizard asks questions like, "What should we do next?" and "Why is this an important step?" Asking these questions means the student is prompted to engage in the thinking needed to complete the task, which in turn develops their reasoning skills. Once the student has identified what they need to do in the next step, the wizard directs them to complete calculations and input their findings. Since the tasks focus on reasoning, the wizard also scaffolds calculations and provides any formulas, graphs, and diagrams. By removing possible barriers to learning, the student can stay in the moment and focus on the reasoning process. The student can also attempt the wizard questions in each step any number of times, or reveal the correct answers if they need to. This means all students are able to complete the reasoning wizard without being roadblocked by incorrect answers. Every time the student checks the answers, a verification statement pops up offering further explanation. This helps the student understand the answer before continuing to the next step. Once a student has either completed the reasoning wizard or attempted the task independently, they are ready to complete the solution. To do this, the student selects or inputs answers to complete an answer statement. Each statement models well-articulated mathematical reasoning and demonstrates how students can construct their own answer statements in assessment tasks and later in senior secondary maths. With an extensive range of BitMaths reasoning tasks to choose from, why not sign up for a free trial and explore them for yourself?